Well, hello and welcome. Thank you for your interest in Your Land is Gold. I'm Chris Jube, the administrator of this paid Skool community, and I want to give you a clear picture of what you are about to get into. As soon as you're in, you'll have full access to the platform. There's a community tab. This is where the conversations happen. Landowners from all over are discussing their projects, challenges, and wins. Start by scrolling through here. You'll get a sense that you're not alone in this journey of land development. And I especially point to what I call the gold files. These are personal reports and stories from members. You'll eventually have your own gold file. But for now, check out what others are building. You'll probably spark a few ideas for your own land just by peeking over the shoulders of others. And then there's classrooms. Right now, there's about 20 hours of material inside. Roughly half is structured teaching courses on glamping, ADUs, and other land use strategies. The other half is case studies, recordings of planning meetings and public hearings that show you how land use actually plays out in the real world. Of course, you can click around and explore the maps and leaderboards and other features, but these three, the community tab, the gold files, and the classrooms, those are the main doors to walk through first. Now, once you join, these are your first tasks. First, jump into a discussion. Any discussion. Don't just be a name on the wall. Find a thread that interests you and leave a comment. It can be as simple as I read your gold file and I can relate. I own this much land too. I don't know. Just go ahead and post. What matters is showing up. You'll learn more and likely others will learn from you. Secondly, reply to your onboarding email. Inside that email is a link to a short form. Fill it out. It helps me prepare for our one-on-one. Part of joining is that you get an hour with me for free. I know I'm going to learn from you, and I can't wait to meet you and get you on board this wonderful Your Land is Gold community, because we're going to take that gold out of that land. And thirdly, make Thursday night live if you can. It's not required. This is our mastermind group, but it's one of the best parts of this community. We meet, we swap stories, we push each other forward. These calls are fun, they're encouraging, and a big reason members stick with their goals and for their land. Look, this community is about drawing gold out of your land. Whether that's through glamping, ADUs, rentals, or some other creative path. You're now part of a group of people who are all on that same journey. So dive in, say hello to the community, fill out your onboarding form, and if you can, show up on Thursday night. We're glad you're here, and I can't wait to see what you do with your land.